Locked out of your BLU phone? Forgot your PIN, password, or pattern? In this video, I'll show 5 proven ways to safely regain access to your phone and data. Section 1. How to unlock BLU phone easily and safely. One widely discussed option for unlocking a BLU phone is Android Lock Wiper, which is designed to remove screen locks when normal access is unavailable. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing the software on your Windows PC. Once the installation is complete, choose Remove Google Lock FERP Advanced Mode. Connect your BLU phone to the computer using a USB cable, and then click Start. Step 2. Create a backup of your device to avoid any possible data loss. During the FERP bypass procedure, follow the prompts to input the required information about your BLU and click Next. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode on your BLU. Step 3. Select PDA, country, and carrier. Click Download. Then, start to extract and follow prompts to enter download mode. Step 4. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock. Extract firmware, then start the FERP process. Section 2. How to unlock a BLU phone via recovery mode. Power off your BLU, then hold power plus volume up or down to enter recovery mode. Use volume to navigate, select wipe data or factory reset, confirm, then reboot. All data will be erased. Section 3. How to unlock BLU with Google Find Hub. On another device, go to Google Find Hub and sign in with your BLU's Google account. Select your phone, choose Factory Reset, confirm, and wait. After reset, restart and sign in to regain access. Section 4. How to unlock a BLU device via Android Smart Lock. Android Smart Lock must be enabled before the phone locks. Go to a trusted location, connect a trusted Bluetooth device, or use on-body detection to unlock automatically. The phone locks once the condition ends. Section 5. How to unlock BLU by contacting BLU customer support. Gather your IMEI06 serial number and proof of purchase. Contact BLU support, provide these details, and follow their instructions to unlock your phone.